Everybody, this is Ms Fran and welcome again to another video class. Today from the F1 classroom and our lovely Friday penguin, I am bringing you another science experiment. Yes, another one. So this science experiment is very simple yet incredible. So you know that we are going to feel more cold days because the weather is getting colder. Now we are not in summer where it's very hot. Now we are in autumn where the leaves start to fall. It's getting more windy like that. And sometimes we're going to see that it rains. Since we haven't seen that just yet, we are going to create our own rain. We are going to make it rain in a glass. How cool. So for this experiment, I'm going to need some water. I have here a cup, more or less, or half a cup. I'm going to have a cup of glass, glass so we can see through it. We need food coloring and some shaving foam. I bet that your daddy may have one of these in the bathroom. So if he allows you to do the experiment, maybe you can do it together. Okay, so I'm going to pour my water in my cup. A little bit more than half a cup. And I'm going to put this on a side. So we are cleaning up after ourselves. We are going to take the shaving foam and we're going to shake it. Shake it. Do you remember when we put hand sanitizer and then we shake it? We need to do the same. Shake it. Once we're done shaking it, we are going to put some here. Oopsies. Let's go again. Okay, it will grow. That's good. Now I'm going to take the food coloring, the blue food coloring, and we're going to put on top. So for example, in this science experiment, the water will be the air. The foam, the shaving foam, will be it's happening. Wow, will be the clouds, and the food coloring will be the rain. Can you see? It's raining on a cup. You can see how the food coloring, they have little drops. They are coming down and they are reaching the bottom. I'm going to put it close to you so maybe you can see better. So the little drops already got to the bottom of our cup. So now my question is, every time we do a science experiment, we need to question ourselves. Is this science experiment possible to make? Did it work? So let's go ask ourselves, can we make this science experiment? Can we make it rain in a cup? Yes, we can. Is it possible? Like when we see? Yes? Good. So I hope that you like our autumn science experiment, and maybe you can try with another colors. Maybe you can do a rainbow out of colors. We'll see, and see you in the next one. Have fun.